Hey, the average Joe here. Today we're going to look at a couple features. We're going to look at schematic scaling. So you see I have my air handlers with the fans and coils, and then an airflow schematic showing fans, coils, louvers, dampers, and the space. And then I have the hydronic diagram showing chillers and boilers and heat exchangers and pumps. Now, each one of these are on an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. That's what I have set up on my computer. You can see that by just going in here to page setup or print view right there. You can set those up. Now, if I want to print all these out on one sheet of paper, one 8.5 by 11, I can come in here to edit, come down to schematic scaling, and 50% there. Now, all three of these schematics are now on an 8.5 by 11 sheet that's easily printed on my little home printer. So anyway, that's how you can schematic scale your project down, whether it's on some larger sheets, you want to scale down. Now, the other thing I wanted to go over, the power of system design and system selection. So you'll see here my chiller is 157 tons of cooling, like 5-inch pipe going out to these cooling coils. Let me come in the Media Cafe, and I'm going to come in, and I'm going to change the airflow under key data, 17,000. Let's just make this 1,700. Okay, and then that's winter heating. Summer cooling, the CFM, let's make that 2,700, a lot less. Okay, and economizer cooling, that won't matter, but now let's hit OK, and you'll see the 157 tons because I reduced the airflow. When your project, when you tie everything together, the spaces with the fans and the pumps and the heat exchangers, now instead of 150 something tons of cooling, I have 121 tons of cooling. So that's the beauty of when you make a change in an airflow schematic, whether it's with your CFM, whether you change the location. Right here, I went to my project properties, came in my winter, summer heating conditions, the location. If I happen to change those design conditions, then obviously that load would change as well. So that's the power of integrating the systems together. Once again, we've added to the project the boiler. That boiler's got a load down there, and I just opened up this project, but I can come in there and right-click on that boiler and insert the component that's associated with that boiler. So now I have that load of that boiler in a diagram there of the fuel gas piping. So right up there is my fuel gas piping toolbar, and I can go up there and just grab fuel gas, grab a meter, hook that meter into the fuel gas piping, and I start sizing my piping, put a length in for that total length of that system. You'll see the load of that boiler you'll see over here. There's so many BTUs when it gets done calculating that. There's a lot of, you'll see the load there is, what, 2.3 million, a lot higher here, right? Because we have altitude correction and efficiencies of the boiler and that are taking place that happen derating, which you need to take into consideration when you're looking at sizing that. Hope this has been helpful. Hey, thanks for watching.